I believe we are recording. Hey guys, welcome back to BNC on RC. Let's try that again. Boy, I'm rusty. Hey guys, welcome back to BNC RC. We're here for a big unboxing. Why I chose what's in this box to come out of my on-camera retirement for, I'll never understand. But here we go. This is right straight from Temu. Not sure why I bought this thing. I like to fuck around with a lot of miscellaneous parts and stuff from Temu. Hey, it's in an actual box instead of just some styrofoam piece of shit with a bunch of tape holding it together. It's going to be almost like a real unboxing. The box is a little smudged. Not a surprise coming from our friends at Temu. It's one of them 1/12 scale LandCruiser. It's pretty much all it says on that box. 4x4 wheel. Toyota officially licensed product. 1/12 scale. It's one of them MN something LandCruiser 79. I think it was LC79 was the actual model number of it. I'll tell you why I bought this thing. Temu had it on sale. It cost me $40 and some cents to try this little bugger out. I figured for that, you really can't get hurt. What the fuck? I have no idea what to expect. I know they call it 12th scale, and I also know what happens when your Chinese figure up their scales. And there's something shaped like a truck there. There's a goofy looking radio. What in the fuck is that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be the phone holder? It does have a little thumb thingy on the wheel so you can drive one-handed. That seems to be all the rage these days. Oh, 4 double A's. There might even be triple A's in this bag. It looks like double A's. Probably should read some of the stuff on the box. I didn't see anything that resembled a manual, and it probably wouldn't be written in a language I could understand anyway. Oh, a little Chinese goodie bag. Ooh, the color's nice. Huh. Somewhere between toy grade and hobby grade, I reckon. Oh boy, I see a whole lot of places for little details. It's more like a static model. I didn't really look into this thing much. I just kind of ordered it when I saw the price. I figured, what the hell? There's about 1 million different versions of these things. That's pretty bouncy. The back, not so much. It's a leaf spring rear suspension. All plastic. Yeah, not very rugged. I see that they do have an upgrade for, hey, there's an opening tailgate. I think the hood opens or breaks off. Oh, there's our little bitty battery hidden in there with a little tiny plug. Ain't that cute? Huh. Wow, it ain't bad looking. I'll give it that. That fucker's worth $40 to just sit on the shelf. Looks like it's got a whole bunch of lights wired into it. Let's see what's in the goodie bag. I'm thinking it's going to be a whole bunch of shit to put on that body with no instructions on how or where or what to do. Oh, there's a model car tree. And you got wipers and mirrors and whatever the hell those things are. 3-door handles. Must be the 3-door model unless it has a regular door handle on the tailgate. Hey, there's a super Chinese sticker that I can't read a lick of. That's super handy. Oh, there's a manual. So much for the goodie bag. Toyota stickers. TRD, turd stickers. MN model. There's our instruction book. Hey, it's even got just a picture of that truck on it. If it tells me how to fucking drive a RC car, I'm going to puke. Yep, the steering, it actually shows what the wheel does on the controller. That's it. There's a couple pages of pictures of how to put all the bullshit on there. Maybe I'll actually do that. Huh. wonder if that bed, no, the bed's not separate. They have different versions. There's a flatbed, a wrecker, all kinds of stuff. Lots of upgrades for it. I don't know what size the wheels and stuff are. Looks like probably the stuff for an 18th scale would work on it. All plastic, 4-link front, leaf spring rear. Really bouncy shocks. There's no oil in them suckers. They're just static. Boy, the rear is really stiff. I don't know if I'll bother with a running video with this thing or not. I think I'll just motherfuck it a little, putting all these little parts and stuff on. Let's see. We got the outer part of the mirrors there are black, and there is actually chrome inserts for the mirrors. Some guys are making a big deal about there. Even the mirrors have mirrors. I'm not going to make a big deal about that. I don't really care. But yeah, the mirrors have mirrors. How about that? Little tiny Toyota emblems I have to put on somehow. I don't know if they just snap on or if you have to glue them on or what. There's chrome there that go on the door handles too. That's pretty detailed. There's a little snorkel there. I'm not exactly sure how that goes on. Yeah, it looks like just like that. I don't know where the top of the snorkel is. It's a 2-piece. Huh. Well, for $40, it looks pretty cool. And you got a few minutes to occupy yourself putting it together. I'd call that worth it. You could buy that same truck right off Amazon for $80, I believe it is. A little weird that it's got molded fender flares on the front, but they forgot them on the back, or they just didn't bother. It looks like there's something missing down in the bottom of the back of the box. Not sure what's supposed to go there. Must be nothing. In the instructions, it tells you to put them little fender moldings on there. Eh, whatever. What the fuck? There it is. That's what $40 gets you from Temu. That's all I got for now. Maybe I'll be back in a day or so with something a little better. C'est la vie, motherfuckers.